How to fix Apex Legends easy anti-cheat error? First step, restart your device. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step. Click Steam, click it, click Library, right click Apex Legends, click Properties, click Browse Local Files, click the easy anti-cheat folder, click it and click the easy anti-cheat setup. Double click the easy anti-cheat setup. It should run like this. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Then move on with next step. Right click Apex Legends, click Properties, click Install Files and click Verify Integrity of the game file. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully validate. Close it, then move on with next step. Click Settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Next step, search for run and type the following text: services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for easy anti-cheat service. Right click, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Close it. Move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Apex Legends and Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you need to enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. For adding, click Allow another app. Click it. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Go to Program Files. Click the Steam folder. Click it. And you get the Apex Legends and Steam. Click Add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Then click OK in the bottom side and restart your device. Thank you.